Good morning, students. How is everyone? So I'm again with you with the remaining part of the story, A Triumph of Surgery. In the last video, we saw that very tactfully the narrator has taken the dog to the clinic, to the surgery. Now let us see what happens further. At the surgery, the household dogs surged round me. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack with dull eyes and when put down, lay motionless on the carpet. The other dogs, after sniffing round him for a few seconds, decided he was an uninteresting object and ignored him. I made up a bed for him in a warm, loose box next to one where the other dogs slept. For 2 days, I kept an eye on him, giving him no food but plenty of water. At the end of the second day, he started to show some interest in his surroundings, and on the third day, he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard. So, this happens. This is the result of overnighting and nil exercise. Being passive. All those who are glued to the television and mobiles, it's my advice, please get away. Leave them. Never use a mobile unless it is required for studies purpose, and do not be glued to the TV for more than half an hour in 24 hours. If you wish to have a long healthy life, have a lot of exercise, at least twice a day. Have a lot of water and have balanced required diet. Okay. So let's see further what happens. When I opened the door, Tricky trotted out, was immediately engulfed by Joe, the greyhound, and his friends. After rolling over and thoroughly inspecting him, the dogs moved off down the garden. Tricky followed them, rolling slightly with his surplus fat. Later that day, I was present at feeding time. I watched while Tristan slopped the food into the bowls. There was the usual headlong rush, followed by sounds of high-speed eating. Every dog knew that if he fell behind the others, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of his meal. So boys and girls, these are some practical things. If you have seen the dogs, you must be knowing about them. देखा है कभी कुत्तों का व्यवहार देखा है? होता क्या है, जब एक कमजोर कुत्ता स्ट्रॉन्ग की कॉलोनी में आता है, they make him roll around, और जब वो रोलिंग करता है तो वो उसको सूंघते हैं. दिस इज हाउ, ये शायद ऐसा माना जाता है कि ये शायद सबमिशन होता है उस कमजोर का। भैया आप ताकतवर हो, देखो आप ही मेरे सब कुछ हो, बस मुझे छोड़ दो, लड़ो मत। ये नॉर्मल बिहेवियर होता है कुत्तों का, अगर आपने कभी भी देखा हो। स्ट्रॉन्ग ऐसे टेल रखेगा और जो वीक होगा वो ऐसे ऐसे हिलाएगा, तो मिलाते हुए जाएगा और फिर रोलिंग करेगा। दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंस। और जहां तक खाने की बात है, ये कोई नई बात नहीं, ये जानबूझ के डॉक्टर साहब उतना ही खाना डालते थे बाउल में ताकि जब लास्ट थोड़ा सा बचे तो देयर शुड बी रश, वो बिल्कुल चाट जाए उन बाउल्स को भी, बस वो एनफ हो खाने के लिए, ज्यादा ना हो जो बचा पड़ा रहे। आफ्टर वो डॉक्टर थे, वो जानते हैं क्या क्या कितने की जरूरत है, और इसीलिए आज उन्होंने इस ट्रिकी डॉगी को भी अलग से बाउल नहीं दिया खाने का। बोले हिम्मत है तो इन्हीं के साथ। तो आज उसके लिए एक लेसन था कि मुझे भी कल से दौड़ना है अगर खाना खाना है तो, एंड आई हैव टू रश थ्रू, आई हैव टू ईट with my share speedily, otherwise there would be only signing bowls left. Let us see further. When they had finished, Tricky took a walk round the signing bowls, licking casually inside one or two of them. Next day, an extra bowl was put out for him, and I was pleased to see him jostling his way towards it. From then on, his progress was rapid. He had no medicinal treatment of any kind, but all day he ran about with the dogs, joining in their friendly scrimmages. He discovered the joys of being bowled over, tramped on, and squeezed every few minutes. He became an accepted member of the gang, an unlikely, silky little object among the shaggy crew, fighting like a tiger for his share of meal times and hunting rats in the old hen house at night. He had never had such a time in his life. All the while, Mrs. Pumphrey hovered anxiously in the background, ringing a dozen times a day for the latest bulletins. I dodged the questions about whether his questions were being turned regularly or his correct coat worn according to the weather. But I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and convalescing rapidly. The word convalescing seemed to do something to Mrs. Pumphrey. She started to bring round fresh eggs, 2 dozen at a time, to build up Tricky's strength. For a happy period, my partners and I had 2 eggs each for breakfast. But when the bottles of wine began to arrive, the real possibilities of the situation began to dawn on the household. It was an enriched Tricky blood. Lunch became a ceremonial occasion with 2 glasses of wine before and several during the meal. So this was the silly behavior of a wealthy woman who didn't really know how to take care of a dog. देखिए, आपने देखा कि किस तरह से वो एक दिन में 6 से 7 बार, कई बार डजन्स ऑफ टाइम्स फोन करती थी डॉक्टर साहब को। अब कैसा है, क्या आपने उसको मौसम के अनुसार कपड़े पहनाए कि नहीं? क्या आपने उसका बिस्तर चेंज किया कि नहीं? इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस। और जब एक दिन डॉक्टर के मुंह से ये निकल गया कि धीरे धीरे उसकी सेहत में सुधार हो रहा है, बस यही तो चाहिए था उसको। तो उसके तुरंत बाद उसने क्या किया, अंडे भेजना शुरू कर दिया। और फिर कुछ दिन बाद तो हद हो गई, जब वो अंडे के साथ साथ वाइन भी भेजने लगी डॉगी के लिए। ये क्या शो करता है? ये निश्चित रूप से इन पैसे वालों की विलासिता शो करती है। और ये प्यार नहीं है, बल्कि ये बेवकूफी है जो बहुत सारी अमीर लोग करते हैं। ये बेवकूफियां, और केवल डॉग के साथ नहीं, आपको हैरानी होगी, वो अपने बच्चों के साथ करते हैं ऐसी बेवकूफियां। वो समझते हैं सारा दिन केवल खिलाने से सेहत बन जाएगी। अगर ऐसे सेहत बनती तो केवल अमीरों के बच्चे ही रेसलिंग में गोल्ड मेडल लाते, कबड्डी टीम में फिर तो जो टॉप ब्रांड है उन्हीं के बच्चे कबड्डी खेलते। ऐसा होता नहीं। शरीर के लिए सब कुछ बैलेंस्ड चाहिए और तभी अच्छा शरीर बनता है। ये समझने की हमें जरूरत है। आई एम एंडिंग दिस वीडियो हियर। In the next, the 4th video, we shall sum up the whole lesson. Thanks for joining.